Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy in your washing machine. First, familiarize yourself with your machine's detergent dispenser. It usually has compartments for pre-wash, main wash, and softener. Next, sort your laundry by color and fabric type to prevent damage or color bleeding. Finally, always check the care labels on your garments for any special washing instructions before you begin. This ensures your clothes are treated correctly. Now, let's talk about dosage and loading. It's crucial to measure the correct amount of Easy liquid detergent. Always refer to the product packaging for specific dosage guidelines, as these can vary based on load size and water hardness. For example, a standard load might require 1 capful. Also, avoid overloading your washing machine. Leave about 1 hand's width of space at the top of the drum for the best cleaning results and proper rinsing. Next, selecting the right wash cycle and temperature is key. Your washing machine offers various cycles like delicate, normal, or heavy duty. Choose the one that best suits your laundry's fabric type and soil level. Also, select the water temperature recommended for your garments. Easy detergent is formulated to work effectively in both hot and cold water, providing excellent cleaning power regardless of your choice. Finally, let's cover what to do after the wash. Remove your clothes promptly once the cycle is complete to prevent wrinkles and mildew. For machine maintenance, clean your washing machine regularly, perhaps once every month, to prevent any detergent buildup or odors. Lastly, store your Easy detergent in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its effectiveness for a long time. Happy washing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.